What if you could build AI agent that works for you 24/7 without writing a single line of code? Today I'll show you how to build fully automated AI support system with n8n. If you're like me, computer science student who uses AI daily, you know that AI automation isn't just cool, it's game changer. Imagine having an AI agent that reads your emails, replies automatically, and even sends quick summary to your phone. That's exactly what we're building today. And we'll do it all with n8n only, so no coding needed. To start with n8n, you have to sign up, and after that you'll be able to create your workflow. Here you have to add trigger node. Trigger means that after something happens, your whole action is going to start. As we're building Gmail customer support, we have to choose Gmail on message trigger. Here you have to select Gmail account. I've already made it, but if you want to add new account, you just click create new credential and then sign up with Google. In events, we're going to choose message received to be sure that our action is going to start right after new mail in our inbox. Then you can just leave this page, and then we have to add AI agent node. Here you can choose whatever agent you want, but I'll keep tools agent because I want more precise responses. As source for prompt, I'm going to use define below and then use this prompt. Also, I recommend to enable require specific output format button to make our action more flexible. Then you have to select chat model. You can choose whatever you want, but I'm going to use Anthropic chat model. Here you also have to create new credential. It's as simple as putting API key here and just clicking save button. Then you can choose model, but I'll keep Sonnet. Now we have something looking like this. Our next step is to create tool output parser. I'm going to choose structured output parser option. I want to receive a message looking like this. Telegram message and email response are so-called keys, and those are just description of output we're expecting. As you can see, we don't have any input on our left side. It's because we haven't tested this action yet. I recommend to use test workflow button as often as required. Each time you're running test, it may become easier for you to understand what happens. Now you can see your input data. Our next step is to create if node. Here we also have input. I'm going to use email response option and check if its value is equal to do not send. Why do not send? It's because of prompt I've used for our AI agent. You can test your node directly here. This is email I've used to test our action. Now we have to add Gmail send message node. I'll use from parameter in our to field. It means that we're going to reply to last message we've received. Our subject will look like this. As message, we'll use email response parameter. Last node we're going to add is Telegram. Let's link through with our Telegram node. Now, if our new email don't have to be responded, we'll just send summary to our Telegram. Else, we'll send email response first and then we'll go to Telegram. In Telegram, obviously you also have to add credentials. It requires access token, which can be received using bot fuzzer bot in Telegram. In Telegram, you can create new bot using this command. Then you have to select name and username for your bot. And your token is right here. Also, you can click on this link to go to your bot. Message that we'll send will contain Telegram message parameter. To get your chat ID, you can use Telegram bot row. It will look like this. My email inbox and bot are currently looking like this, but what will happen after we click test workflow button? As you can see, we've received new message in Gmail. This is what my bot have sent to me. Now our support system is live and working. As you can see, it works fine, but if you want to make it running, switch inactive to active. It will make your workflow activated, so you don't have to worry about missed emails. Now you've seen how easy it is to build customer support with n8n, but it's just the beginning. You can expand this to handle tickets, connect to Notion, or even use voice assistants. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more AI insights. Also, please check my other videos on this channel, and see you guys